Hi guys, welcome back. It's Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm here as always to do a quick video on an updated review on my medium camera YSL loo bag. I've been getting some comments, like random comments about, you know, how's it holding up. I had it for a few years now, so while I have just 5 minutes, I just want to come in and just give an overview of the handbag. Here is the handbag. I wore it out today. I purchased this a few years ago now. The price has definitely increased. I just checked. It retails for $750 now. That's a major price difference than what I paid a few years ago. I think I only paid $13.90 for this handbag. Here is the front. It still is in amazing condition. The side, it still has its shine to it. No dents throughout the bag. Here is the other side, and here is the bottom. Overall, the bag is in excellent condition. I purchased this for my birthday a few years back. I think during the COVID season, I purchased this for myself, and it's come in handy for my new lifestyle as of now. It opens like so. It has the pull. And here is the inside. The inside is made of fabric lining. I have a full-size wallet in here. I have my key fob. I have lotion. I just want to do a quick overview. I have my mango croc wallet holder, and I like this because it's almost similar to this. And I have another pouch and just a MAC lipstick. So the interior still looks great. No concerns here. The crossbody strap is in amazing condition. No chipping. The shine is still here. Everything is still perfect. When I purchased this bag, I wasn't thinking about being a mom. I just purchased it because I liked it. It's a handbag that I felt at that time that you can dress up and dress down, and I still feel this way. I will say that you can definitely find these handbags for a major discount on the pre-loved market. You can check Fashion File, Rebag, and I think it's still an amazing bag to have in your collection. Patent I do like as we're going into the fall season, so that's why I bought it out today, and it was perfect. So that's my update. Nothing negative to say about the handbag. The quality is still there. It looks amazing. It comes in handy. It's a beautiful handbag to have in your collection if you're interested in it. And that's it. So this is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Sorry if this video is really quick. I had to get in and get out. Thank you for watching. I make videos about the things that I love. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would absolutely love for you to do so. Always remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye. Bye, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.